Imagine this scenario. For every click of a button, you can earn $1. And with this one secret trick, you can turn your $1 into $30. Sounds crazy, right? What if I told you that we can teach you this secret method that you can turn your $1 into so much more? You can make 30 times more money than others in just a blink of an eye. Want to learn more? Then you should watch this video. This method works both on a mobile phone or a computer. For today's video, you will not need any skill or expertise. You will not be required to produce any videos or websites. You won't even need a social media following. It is completely free. You don't need any money to get started because you can do it for free. It is also accessible to people from all over the world. So make sure to check this out and we'll teach you all the steps to make this method work perfectly for you and so that you can achieve success in the same way that we did. Make sure to watch the full video from beginning to end so that you won't get confused with today's video. Also, be careful that you do not skip any steps in order to avoid missing any important details. Because if you overlook key details, you may not get the intended results. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So the first website that we'll be covering today is MoreNiche. And to access their website, just put moreniche.com on your browser. And that should bring you right here to this page. Now, first and foremost, we want you to click on the brand option, which is located in the upper right corner of the website. And as soon as you click it, you should be sent to this page. If you scroll down, you will discover a list of all the companies and brands with whom this website collaborates. We have Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Mail Extra, as well as a plethora of other brands. This means that you can go to this website, advertise these various products, and end up making tons of commissions online. As an example, in today's video, we're going to be advertising Brutal Force. You can then select the view brand here and it should bring you to this page. As shown, the Brutal Force affiliate program lets you earn up to $200 for each sale. Now, assuming that you get $200 per sale from your commission, and all of these is done on complete autopilot, meaning you do not have to do anything. Now, that is outrageous. There is a $1.37 earning per click, $106.43 average order value, 4.54 average conversion rate, and then it gives you a 40% commission. If you visit the Brutal Force website by clicking this button, you can check what things they sell and how much they sell them for. As you can see, they sell this product for $59.99. And if you advertise this product and people you refer successfully bought this product, then you can earn 40% off the price, which is $29.99. And if you sell 10 of these in one day, then you can get $239.96 in just one day. That is insane. And all you have to do is just post one link and you can earn tons of money. That's not all. They have tons of products available on this website. So if a person buys $100 product through your link, then you can still earn. Your link is not limited to one product only. You can earn money with any products listed on their website, given that the person buying used your link to go to Brutal Force website. If you are having doubts about promoting this brand, you can look at this section. These brands have been thoroughly researched and assessed before entering their website, so you can trust that these brands you promote are 100% legit and will sell well. Brutal Force products are 100% legal steroid alternatives, bulking, cutting, and strength supplements, has natural ingredients, and has no side effects. 5 individual products and 1 bulking and a cutting stack. So a brief overview of this product. Brutal Force steroids alternatives are designed to boost muscle growth, shred fat, and increase strength safely and legally without side effects. Since bodybuilding has hit the mainstream, power supplements and steroid alternatives have surged in popularity. Brutal Force is now one of the biggest brands on the market catering to this demand and continues to grow. Selling to over 150 countries worldwide, their revenue is skyrocketing since its launch. It is the #1 brand on the MoreNiche network. We are giving you information about the product because we believe that Brutal Force is the best brand for you to promote and maximize your earnings. After you watch this video, you do not need to do extensive research about this brand. All you have to do is just get an affiliate link of this brand and share it to other people, and you can start right away. When promoting Brutal Force, you are paid every 1st and 15th of each month, and you can use your payment methods such as direct bank transfer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Paxum, and wire transfer. And you can be paid in USD, GBP, or Euro currencies. And when you start promoting Brutal Force now, you can earn as much as $35,188 a year. Start promoting now and earn this much. In the next part of the video, we will show you how you can join MoreNiche.com as an affiliate. We will also show you tips and tricks on how you can share or promote your affiliate links by using specific websites. So don't go anywhere and watch till the end of the video. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So now we'll get started on the sign-up process. To do so, simply click on the orange button right here that says Join MoreNiche to promote Brutal Force. And that should bring you right here to this page. So make sure you choose to be an affiliate since that's why we are here. Now enter all the information requested, including your first name, last name, email address, and password twice. Now that you've completed all of that, you may proceed to sign up. Now that you've signed up and received affiliate link, we want you to go to findforum.net. This website hosts tons of forum posts about different topics. Topics such as computers and internet, cooking, pets, making money online, sports, vehicles, and more. And this is the ideal website to sell or promote a specific product to specific types of people. Now we want you to go ahead and click the categories icon up here and choose the Browse All Categories option. It will redirect you to this page, which has all the list of different categories available on this website. And as you may have guessed, there are numerous of categories to choose from, but because our product is health related, we'll concentrate on health. The beautiful thing about this is that there are so many categories under health that your link may actually work on. We have bodybuilding, men's health, and fitness and exercise. And our product targets these types of categories, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and click on bodybuilding and you'll be taken to all of the forums that are relevant to bodybuilding. Now what I want you to do is post your affiliate link to as many forums as you can to get the most amount of traffic delivered to the Brutal Force website and earn the most amount of money possible. You can rinse and repeat it with the men's health and fitness exercise categories. Now keep in mind that you can promote all of the brands that are in MoreNiche. So if you want to promote brands such as Black Wolf or Male Extra, you can do so. Just follow the steps that we have taught you in this video and watch as you earn lots and lots of money in just a short amount of time. What are you waiting for? Start today and you are one step closer to living a luxurious life. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.